Welcome to Create a Game, a web app that allows you to create your own game. Depending on who you're playing with, how many are in your group, or where it is, you get to create your own game with our help. Let's get started. Simply go to the Create a Game web app, createagame.ca, and you get to this page. Fill in your name, what age group you're going to be playing with, what space you have to work with, and how many are in your group. All right, submit it, and here you go. We do have ideas and tutorials on how to make this happen. The teacher tutorial talks about how you can look at different learning goals and success criteria. Use it for leaders or teachers, whatever works best. Once you no longer need it, click OK. Hides up in the corner with a yellow question mark. If you need it again, simply click it, and there it is. You have 6 different categories to work with. Equipment, what you're going to be playing with, your action, how you will move, your target or purpose or goal of your game, the social skills you're going to be including. Always good to practice them. Your game DNA, what's the game structure? How is it made up? And your stage, just a fun element to add a different way to look at how you can look at your game. You'll see on the game recipe side, because I want you to think of this like a recipe. I want you to be able to add your ingredients, which are right here, your different categories, and think about it when you're making a recipe. You don't dump everything typically in the bowl at once. You add a bit at different times, and it could be a sprinkle of something as well. So don't worry about how much you have to add in doing something that could be challenging all the time. Sprinkle it in where you need it. Simply click the select button or drag over the action that you want to go in. Action and target with the asterisks are mandatory to be done. You'll see right now the boxes are red because we still have to continue filling in what we need to get in there. There we go. They're now green, and that means we can submit. When we do submit, you have a little mascot. On the previous page, he was at the bottom. Now he's at the top. If you need some different tips or hints on what to do, simply click him and you get to change the different ideas on how to help you. All right, I'm going to name our game at the end because we have bouncing balls. Something is shaking. Is it us or is it the balls? We need to eliminate something. Is it the balls or is it us? We have to concentrate on fun over winning. Cooperative play. Something becomes a statue and we're going to pretend we're in my backyard. Well, I've got a great backyard. It's huge and it has a nice slope to it. So add the elements, write up your game. Then if you want, name it here and you can submit the whole thing. This is going to go to a community share of games. You can log in, and next time you come back in, you are going to see a ton of different games that so many others have contributed to our community. Play on, play fun, keep on going.